The Regional Police Command has launched a Phantom 3 drone to help them identify and fight crime in the metropolis. The drone, valued at 7,000 Ghana cedis, was a donation from the Tema Regional Police Commander DCOP Nana Asomahene and will be operated by the drone squad of the Ghana Police Service. Our Tema correspondent Michael Dewonu witnessed a testing exercise of the technology and gives us details.
It's obvious that now crime is very sophisticated, so we need to be more sophisticated before we can also combat it. So we are going to launch it, to put it up in the air and try to pick some pictures on the ground. Later we analyze it and then we use it. Yeah, I've been on this seat for barely a month, 1 month. Well, a careful look at our statistics shows that at least it's going down. We don't have statistics right now on hand, but you can see that since the beginning of the last month, crime is going down and down and down. And the society, the public, I think they will attest to that fact. For now, we are at least resourced. We cannot get a full complement of resources what we need, but what we have, they should be able to contain and combat crime within the Tema metropolis and, for that matter, Tema region. We are going to educate the masses. Now we have a community policing officer among us here, and we are going to do a lot of education to educate the masses or the public on their own safety. We are going to increase our patrols within the Tema metropolis and the outlying districts, Pampram, what do you call it, Dowenya, and those areas. We are going to increase our patrols there. We have taken delivery of some vehicles. I think you saw it this morning, the vehicles we use, that's Operation Calm Life. And we're increasing our patrols in Ashama area and all those areas there.
Yeah, so from Tema, the Regional Police Command, they are increasing their patrol, they are increasing the number of vehicles. They have just launched a drone to ensure effective policing in the metropolis, to ensure that Tema is safe and secure for all residents and business people to go about their business. Reporting from the Tema Regional Police Command, my name is Michael Dewonu.